Good morning, friends, and happy Friday. I am out of the house this morning. It's about 9 o'clock and I am headed to get my roots done. It's hair day for me, and because I'm out, I'm getting a Starbucks as well.
Good morning. Thank you for choosing Starbucks in Loganville. Can I get a name for your order?
Angie?
Okay, Angie, what can I get started?
Can I get a grande white mocha, please, with caramel drizzle caramel syrup?
Okay, anything else for you today?
No, that's it.
626, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you. So I'm just curious to know if my friend Sandy has ever went and got hers yet. 'Tis the season. I've heard that it's a little chilly there in Florida. So it is probably time for you to go try one of these. They're so good. So yeah, today's hair day for me. I was actually gonna go get my hair done. I'm gonna get my car washed. I'm gonna vacuum it out a little bit because it is a possibility, and by the end of this vlog today, I will have an answer. Maybe. It's a possibility that Brian and I have to leave for Knoxville on Tuesday. He has a client up there that is on maintenance renewal for the software, but they want him to come up there and explain to them why they need to renew, you know, their software or whatever. So he's got to go up there and talk to the client about why it's important to upgrade, why it's important to renew your software. So he's got to do all that. And then because we're going to already be in Tennessee, that's kind of why we're doing it, because we're going to be in Tennessee. Alrighty, I don't even know where I left off, but anyway, I had to answer the text. It was from Bri. So yeah, so I got my coffee, very happy about that. I am headed to go get some gas right now. Like I said, I think it was because I wanted to, I was gonna vacuum my car. Oh no, we're talking about Knoxville. Because we were gonna already, we're gonna be in Tennessee anyway. We're gonna leave Wednesday to go to Tennessee to go to my mom and dad's house. I just said, why don't we just leave Tuesday, go to Knoxville, do what we have to do in Knoxville, and then drive back down, and then by that time we'll be there. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Like I said, I'm just waiting to hear from him regarding if we're gonna be going or not. And if so, then I'm gonna have to start packing and getting my stuff together for the weekend, or for the week ahead. And that means extra packing, more traveling, never ends. And then he said last night too that it's a possibility that he might have to go back to Savannah again. And oh, they have the Christmas tree up in Loganville. Yeah, he might have to go back to Savannah again in December, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to go with him this time because I have a few things that I have stuff going on, like at the house, two like major Christmas gatherings at my house that I have to be there for and prepare for. So I'm not exactly sure if that's going to work or not, but I'm gonna go get my hair done and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. Good afternoon, friends, and yeah, I haven't vlogged the entire weekend. I haven't picked up my camera since Friday before I went and got my hair done. I so apologize for all of that. I was kind of like busy yesterday and just busy trying to get Christmas stuff out and trying to get it in its place. Brian was gone all day. He went to a car show. So I pretty much had like the house to myself all day long, just trying to get as much Christmas stuff up as I possibly could, which I did. And then I've been working on it today as well. As you guys can see in the back, I have my tree up that goes up in this room. And I just did all that and I made a mess, obviously, because it's a flock tree. It got all over the place. And then I'm like, you know what? It's almost 4 o'clock. I'm pooped. I am wore out and I'm taking a shower and I'm going to call it a night. I started working in my dining room and on my china cabinet, and I've added more ornaments to my Christmas tree in the living room. I've taken up more totes up to the man cave, which is where I store all of my Christmas decorations. So I kind of have like a mess going all over the house, and I thought by the end of this vlog, like I said, that I would let you guys know if we are going to be going to Knoxville or not, and I still don't know. Brian doesn't know either, so we may find out by the end of tomorrow's vlog, which you guys won't know anything until Tuesday. But a few things though. Yeah, hey, I wanted to let you guys know I did get my tree up back there. It's so pretty. I love it. I added like, well, you can't really see it, but oh yeah, you can just a little bit. Back there, you guys can see I added the basket underneath it instead of putting a tree skirt around it. And I seen that, obviously I've been watching, you know, it's all over Instagram or whatever, and I've been watching all of that, and I'm like, oh my God, that is the best idea ever. So I knew, like, with this tree, because it's only, I think, a 6-footer. I don't know, the box is still outside. The box is outside, or up in the man cave now. But I think this is like a 6-footer. And I'm like, you know what, with this 6-footer, I'm gonna actually try to put it inside of a basket and then try to, you know, it turned out perfectly. I'm like, that's the best idea ever. So I actually ordered another one just like this one on Walmart using Ebates. Woo! I got 10% back from ordering it on Ebates, and it should be ready. They said after 4 o'clock today, but I won't go pick it up till tomorrow. And I ordered it from Walmart because that's where I got this one. It was like $79. It's like the best little flocked tree ever, and it's the perfect height, whatever. So I'm actually putting that one in our room, and I'm actually going to put that in a basket as well. And it's so nice because I actually have these like baskets laying around, which is nice. Not laying around, they're being used like in my house, but I emptied this one out so I could put it there or whatever, and it looks great. But anyway, I also wanted to show you guys I got a new halo light, a new ring light, and this is the first time I've ever had a new ring light or halo light, whatever you guys want to call them, in my entire like life. And it's like 5 years now. It's going on 5 years that I've been on YouTube, and I never ever had a halo light, and I've always wanted one, and I ordered one the other day. I'm like, you know what, screw it, those other lights are not working for me. I want a new halo light, and I ordered it, and it's like the best thing ever. If you're a YouTuber and you don't have one of these, you need to go get it. Like, seriously. And I will leave a link in the description box below for you guys to, if anybody's wanting to go get this halo light. It's like the best thing ever. I love it. And it's so bright, and it makes everything so nice around me. So like when I'm vlogging, when I'm doing a video, this is what it's gonna look like. It's great. It's like, hello light, here I am. So I love it, so pretty. I'm gonna turn you guys around, show you guys. I'm probably blind, but it's like, that's what it looks like. It's so awesome. So my other 2 lights that I had here were just regular like photography lights, ones that you could, like ones that had like the umbrellas and stuff attached to it. Well, I'm giving those to my niece Hannah because she's into photography and stuff. So I'm gonna give those to her. I've had those for 6 years. And then the other day when I was taking them apart, I broke a bulb. So I might have to run out and get her a new bulb, because I don't want to give her, you know, the set without having a bulb. So I might have to run out and get her a new bulb, which is not a problem at all. But I just kind of wanted to come in here and say, hey guys, I'm so sorry that I didn't vlog this weekend. Like I said, I've just really been focusing on trying to get my Christmas stuff done. I have not done my mantle yet because I want to share with you guys how I decorate my mantle. I really haven't come up with an idea yet of how I want to do it. That one sign that's sitting on there, I did have Brian cut me a piece of wood so I can raise it, so that's done. And I did switch my garland around on the mantle as well. Instead of it being plugged in on this side, it's plugged in behind the tree, which works out so much better. And I'll explain more of that when I go into detail about more detail about how I decorate my mantle. That video, I'm not exactly sure when I'm gonna get that done. I'm hoping this week, if we don't leave for Knoxville. If we leave for Knoxville, then the rest of my week after tomorrow is done. I can't do anything else. So we're gonna be possibly leaving for Knoxville on Tuesday. We'll be there Wednesday, my parents' house on Thursday for Thanksgiving. And then Friday we'll be on our way home, which I have a place that I want to stop off on my way home. So it's going to be a pretty busy week for me if we go to Knoxville. If not, then I'm hoping I can get the rest of my Christmas stuff done, a majority of it done, and then get that how I do my mantle video done. And hopefully, I don't know when I'll have that up, but yeah, it's just been a crazy week, crazy weekend. But it's been a nice weekend. It's been a beautiful weekend. It's been in like the high 60s here. It is absolutely gorgeous. And it's just so nice because we had the windows open while I've been listening to Christmas music with windows open and decorating for Christmas. How weird is that? But anyway, tomorrow I'm going to be meeting London. As of right now, we've already scheduled our little meetup. She and I are going to have breakfast, lunch, brunch at Cracker Barrel tomorrow. So I'm looking so forward to seeing her and actually seeing all of the Christmas decorations that they have at Cracker Barrel, because I know they have some cute stuff at Cracker Barrel, but seriously, like, I don't need any more Christmas stuff. I'm actually like telling myself I don't need any more. Like, I don't. I'm so overwhelmed with the stuff that I have out there already. I kept telling myself, okay, I need a bigger house. Okay, I need a bigger house. Or I need to just get rid of stuff. What do you do? But yeah, so I'm going to be like on the like no more buying list, honestly. No more Christmas buying list. But anyway, so I just wanted to come on here and say hi and let you guys know that's what my weekend was. My weekend was full of. But thank you guys so much for being patient, sticking around, subscribing. My subscriber count has gone up tremendously. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. Totally appreciated. Thank you so much for wanting to hang out with me and choosing to hang out with me. I hope that you guys stick around. I hope that you guys find me to be enjoyable and fun to hang around with. I'm really like down to earth. Like everybody's already said, I'm so down to earth. You know, I don't put on a show. I'm not fake. I don't, you know, put out, what are those things called? Fake titles. Oh my God, I can't think. My mind is like shot this weekend. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow in Wonderland. Goodbye, friends. Clickbait. Clickbait was the word.